Meaning of gust.
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 Gust. The word gust can have different meanings depending on the context. However, its most common definition is a sudden rush of wind or air. It is usually short-lived but can be powerful enough to cause damage or affect one's balance. A gust of wind can occur naturally in weather conditions or as a result of air displacement from speeding vehicles or airplanes. In general, gusts are not intense enough to cause major problems, but they can be problematic for certain activities like outdoor sports or construction work.